how to create a video by AI website, and we can also say how to create a video by text. First we go to Google and search did AI. You can look at first website, and here we learn tutorial how to create a video by text. Try now, it's free, it's very easy. Please stay here to last. Please subscribe the button, press bell icon for more videos. If you are using your smartphone, then try to desktop site. After desktop site, your interface will be very easy. So here is many options: create video, home, developer, pricing, new in DID. I mean what happening in new DID, new features. And also this website is free. So here we go, create video. Tap on create option, upload your pic from gallery. You can select other presenter like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean many presenter, many options you can select for your video. First you need to write script. After this you can create a video because it's necessary. So I'm going to write my script. Hello guys, in this video I told you about let's go. You can use your audio from your smartphone. My script is ready. I'm going to create a video. Here I select Avtar and generate video. First we sign up, then video will be ready. It's very easy. Tap on sign up option. Continue with Google, continue with LinkedIn, continue with Apple. I try for continue with Google. So here our video is ready. Play our video. You can share, you can direct download, share to any social media, share to any email, and copy link.
In this video, I tell you about how to create video by text.
I hope you understood. So meet you in next AI video and a new knowledgeable video. Please subscribe the button and press the bell icon for future updates. If you have any problem with AI website, AI tools, please tell me your problem in comment section.